Welcome back to the Moral Science class, class 8. Open page number 12 from your virtue book. We will start this from here. That Ruka's friends all at once started to shout at Spire. You should open your own book because this writing is little bit, it will come hazy in mobile when we will upload. Please go through your book. You will should be with you. Okay, so be lesson. Ruka's friends all at once started to shout at Spire. For this paragraph, run bear, boy, run. Spire got very scared and ran away. Knuckles called after his new friend but Spire did not listen and soon disappeared into the forest. Knuckles returned to the river where the other children had gotten busy playing. He was very much worried. That's why Ruka, he said, why did you make Spire run away? His tribe are the sick people. Then he is replying this paragraph. My parents have warned us about. Ruka answered, you had better not tell anyone you have seen him, or you will get us all into big trouble. This paragraph I have marked with the green pen, you should read nicely. Leggy and Knuckles looked for Spire for many days, but the forest was very large and they could not find him. His tribe must have gone back to the large Great Plains, said Knuckles, but the bald eagle told me the wrens have not come to the Great Plains. Already they got the idea that the limbs are not coming, said Leggy. There is no food there. I hope they find food and shelter. The winter is already gone. So children, this was the problem, that they did not get the proper food and proper shelter. The two friends hugged each other. I will miss you. Here we are showing. I will miss you. Okay. The two friends were saying that I will miss you. I will miss you. Each other. I will miss you, said Knuckles. Meet again in the spring when the leaves would be green once more. Winter had come to the forest with snow and ice. It was very cold. This description is very important. You should read. Here I am emphasizing that when Knuckles, it was very cold. One day Knuckles was making a snowman. In winter season, in winter area, the people were making snowman with that like this. When we are visiting in Puri, we are making something with the sand, no? And people of winter side, they are making that snowman. He heard a sound. What sound? Because that one Knuckles tribe, he was shivering from the cold. They had only brought their tipis with them from the Great Plains, where it is hot throughout the year, so their clothes were not warm enough. Okay, so they were crying. This was up to this. I have go through. You will learn the chapter nicely, and next day I hope I can finish the whole chapter. So, but question answer already I have started. You please go through and try to learn the question answer. In upcoming video we will finish this part and then we'll start this work. For today, bye bye, take care.